your mama, ni amemo also to tunana mo ye papa. Yeah. 10 billion allocation to absorb dialysis treatment and fill funding gaps. Kwabena Minta Akando. And on the other two just say abana 10 billion. Say omonfanko na obekaya last year. Abanda dano eka say dialysis credit is here are free. Now omo has selected a certain age gap. Penny 4 pa bini ni panum bini ade. Say see omo 10 billion. Say sa funding gaps ne ohono enko fail na obi a wanya kidney bia no okoye dialysis na enko ye how bia ya wakwaba bibia boko. Okay, report on June 2nd office Interpol red notice OSPC ya boama enipa no by June 2nd and ne se wa hunu na or the man Interpol I said that TV no so no. Kenneth and I for the office of the special way of special prosecutor. Kenneth for that the normal about to so. Also ma.
I say or no prefer online prosecution process. Some say be
was so gasa. Or say or henanim. Second wama obema red notice, red alert. Say Interpol chelebra. And on also say the hundred don. Na lawyer for na so atwe. Na lawyer for no say open online.
Mo bi
everybody di papa.
Nya botrema no.
Say na me catch us okucha scan wa landing na mfi se boa. Ya man catch us so o man be twa scan wa landing no sa ko e.
Wenye no so mo what me bi atero scan negator no. Oduru wa secret we twa wi abese. For no ya. So
okay. Dabi o say abrochi America ho. Ono so betima report say ne ho nye e na pese deport no ba. Enti no so akoye legal tussle. E wa America and American so I don't know kind of reata so we dual citizenship so there. Obu ona mo din sa abu kwa no kuta dual citizenship. Okuta American passport to be a Ibana year citizen. Won't you find mo? Master or ye never be an also the one says you. It's a for that as well, Pedia, something or so online.
Only but TV to say now. No better. Now,
hey, God, I tell what to say. What Pedia?
Online discussion. No, say, or see you. Bless you. We know. Open Bible and also open Quran.
Yeah, as I did. Operator so pedi 30 mil.
Online, I mean, online. Bibiani new come over there. O head TV no head any musa. What did he? What is say?
Yeah, baby, I go into the power. The TV ya afraid about to say. The TV the che will be our Ghana. You just walk and can be one and Marcus and can be 7. Ah, TV, that's today. 5-7 no. Oh, you can quite asam no. Where you check okay, no man. You can quite asam no. Sir, you feel so one of mine in the year, the Sika Bini, a contract be out in Sion, Brabbe, you and one or Munyana there online. All right, whatever, boss and I'm bravo. One to me is still in custody. It is expected that, and then I had the opportunity to do my investigations. Yeah. Now, investigation about say Brian Champo and the sureties no buy worth $6 million. It's a bro 50 million Ghana cedis no so. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia sureties on the buy no. I see as CBI about 10 acres land. So many. But the surety also said, say, it should be in Accra. The Americans and yes, Omunfa fed them better particulars. My investigation has revealed, say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was set to present those sureties. But it could be as say 10 acreage land, it could not meet the 50 million. Yera Kennedy akumpre kwa Japan so de niema bi koi. But niema no de koi na so na certain land titles be they were not registered yet. I gusu a omo ye ho adwuma wo lands. Eti na omo ntumi nya dai and assure agentum. Nipa be mienu bi so yeso omo ede niema nam kan so na omo lawyer from say you are going to expose yourself to the public because nipa nim say wo skasa. Eti mesro yesi de yiri ne kosu kire lawyer no. And a lawyer no friend no say man nko yen hwehwe ani mu bi on twe ne ho onim de asie ehu abodi pa bi wo MPP after they see the koso no ehu abodi pa bi pa wo MPP say the next person on be chino no am say 50 million iswa eti ya de ehu aba party nimti obi obaso ko betimi akoboa wuntumi kura no osro se ono no koye surety ni wie pa he become the light very good eti obi ampeso beba min commodity the chese Brian Champon people spoke to him for almost 3 days and he has made that huge sacrifice. The documents no it's $6 million. And nema ode one cry ode koye no. Rock City town. Rock City town cry. Ana me yuhe mu no susu kakra kire se. Also Gary ni makone. Yera Adeakye Abia ase issue bi oso mani hunu mu ye. Nipa oban Adeakye Abia amni din komolo kire se. Asa da nwumre no. Na wanye careful. The client no ho akoda adwam. So ono koye de kasa bebreba na ne ho Christ akoye. It no he's seeking to get his client out. The politics, the MPP can do it. But ono no se no. He stand as a counsel for the client. It was so lower and near maybe. So yes, so your ho be ma bebre dey. And I you won sem so boom. So right now he is on a plea. Eti mandemus na mo ko file say yemfa ne mra court ne ade nyina no. Na nyese ontumi nye. But oni o madru baabi a it looks like he's made a lot of progress. It is one also at the high-headedness. Ebe jina bontin so be ye da. Eti penini ka se won se so beti Adeakye Abia. Ne kase nyina ye dey. Ewo form o apili. Esan say ono na ye cancel. So okoye gidi. Owe ka attach ya na yi. Lawyer ayi can crunchy. Sadu kwa na me can crunchy go school no. Lawyer attach ya ko jina also okoye ayi kakra kire. Mram no and ye jeli ayi. Ayi ko ya no kopa achoma no. Ayi go to kopa achoma ayi. Sir John ne Samia Ukumo. Ti court wa koye akasesem ne koye se akakabense ba. It was say nyese bia on person the party no but party ni line no is good. On betuma yo mo niam ba ono no de. Many boy man na sante boy me din komo. Ama bia ye nu ba bi na o mo ntese me gina bonten ye dey. Cassette ya wo mo ne ade. Ontumi nyesa. And people did not understand the penny no. That is the information I gathered concerning wood to me. And my information says hopefully today, all things being equal, Yera chairman Sansufra man on the bae, on also so about Rasia name penny for or my penny John Mama Cram told her he's placed a call to the president and others. Omunina so ya day. Edward Muhu Jim or my penny Kofo Munina Bermentino. There's a possibility said ne. Barring any hitch. Jamount to me better than fear. Barring any hitch. Say and science CDR, then I don't know what's going to happen. That's the latest I can put across. Okay. Anunti, that's just that. Asante Region MPP condemns Yoko's arrest, demand justice. Okay. Almost why you're there. no, regional secretary, and we have followed due process. Critics blowing matters out of proportion. You could also say, the due process, 50 million, a due process. 50 million bail condition met, but release delayed by new court application. And the appear could be cano. Said what we be, but omode mande musu no koye no. E was say court no so hwe sa na ma no ansana. Ti se komo ni din komo bo na ma ne se omo ko file a. Ko advice o mo say baby a wodu no ke bia na no pak be jan. E no man na se e be Asante, mami too, your side of the story, what you want to say about it. And then what I said, maybe will be 5 minutes, but 7:10 I will see page Mona Sports from Mayana. Yeah, for time. And no more. And the appear could be ambassador. One on the Casano, a different from the magazine before no party no because on Friday na me can say sen kasa process we are and before and I say what started some starting best Tuesday over by Thursday collected by Friday crowd. Won't me koi. But Sikano son, yenya Sikano son. As I make catch you say, on the litany of events, bail conditions, and nipper pe cry, ya two almost so cry a whole lot of them. And I make a catch out last Friday say, Papa will say a year a cabana do wine. Yet the 120 million Ganesi to the treso. Ama attach ya at the court, corporate money by 18 million. And I also did 80. In the long run, Nigerian the ante so mu enu die by 80 more mutimi nya japade kosi awa e ma branteri nya na fa ho dia ma asem ne to aso. And na nya omonko a whole lot of nipa bebrebe wa ye mo musa all these conditions ni na mo wan san kofo edi tuto wo mo sa na because it depends on the gravity of the issue and the amount involved.
So what you say. And timi de won timi de ne de ye mo mpa ise ne de and matau nyema
bia no be free ho
yenyi na no mra the yoko say one yo I want US
and IBO
one yo mu nyina na free charge dem pama to jana say de be bia nye but on my over the weekend no minti audio bi say ya te ya abante pen say alestet bi so nsem obeka no nukrani on the Friday nyane ye ka say some people assemble for assemble dia whatever
na Canada Japan akwala no o ka chen say ne bo funu papa sa nsem no on pese obete
sa ne ma we no empanifo otufo munja sa musa rekonam social media na moma e bia yokofo na nya homoden say dia omo ye no kra no omonye please ye ntwaso jaka ye mra o information dia fa koma yoko kokom nya fe na say maybe social media you want to
as what want to me to amene.
And some of the county bia now in fact it was too damning and then I'm the now King Frata seven there on mine Ken on fairly the Magana for Kakra on send another kind maybe do you know case na points will be antron man Saturday case na Ken no koda da music
omo the crowd tab say fake on can
say
that statement
send move yanko baby
omo penny anka
na be so mongo
there be one on say it became as if say ono na aka say shey na obia but he had never said anything omo kashe na no
okay ejo man ofrata wo hwe kwa fast school kwan kura ya woni OSP has said say ayina wo na ko ba ya ihu ya say papa say on medical grounds wo ko be January meboa 6 months down the line o man yare be nko
anara onim yare be ja 2 years kra
o man me question is say obi a woyare pa no o man it shouldn't be virtual kra won't me ana because
obesha nice shirt abeta
white no oh
sabre we no dinimre
no the white need you there obesha say no there
bebre
clothes maybe
just that time say no to the chain
ana
ko akra o time o kin ka budget no oni
ejo man me dey make no patwa ni tianya say ofurata on fa ni dey magana for kakra ye ne ma amampanyi na dey adwuma no e ma ne se wonye ma omohu se mpanifo aso timi fita
kobiri nku
nti ye dey na odi
asante wo so yare
no me se na me ka say o ka virtual na ye say
me se virtual no dey o hospital kra na
oh my
ye dey kai camera no si ni so a
o yare a
ye zoom
me I will prefer say go be ka say bia office of special person man be say 1 month be nka ho.
The doctor say 1 month na so.
O dey 2 months kra na. Na ka say man virtual. The say that say okwa bo na bra wa UK ho.
Oh America.
Okwa
UK no say some can say how they go twa sky was akọ.
America.
Oh America.
And they say the person just say when you get a new father.
Hey, that call we Mr. Kenoforiata, the DDP will go a long way to make this nation better. We need to adjust. Other than that, we cannot. You really that total GDP and the debt cost will help. And Mr. Speaker, I want to believe that my uncle JB Dankwa Oka budget awamo JB Dankwa no frete ni awonko. Na Azaya ho. Azaya
4022. Azaya 3720.
Azante.
Yo from now no say yaw. Say wantimi ama me dey say ne by close today no always be in the press conference.
I saw say Oma red notice to Interpol. Say he's wanted. But if he say OSP on Ensusu, initially we all accused the OSP. But OSP has given him ample time. And the OSP takes action now. I don't think any Ghanaian will blame or fault the OSP.
I say Yoko phone take over. Some of these things now. International now we never. Yeah, woman fan. Yeah, Dr. Bia. I
say Yoko economic organized crime office. The allegation says on this subtle for us one. Omo no kwan am so contract ne ade ne kwan am koti company no omo fi say a dream. It is an organized crime. Why don't they invite?
Yoko take over ya.
He said Yoko force no take over. Deal.
And the
Remonacha.
And the Edina watching.
Maybe can say the doctor for no opportunity from Ghana as a country. We foot the bill of all these doctors.
But on the machines. As until the machines there, we don't have it.
Machines there.
There are special machines.
One
of the most expensive hospital and why
one friend say kakra bi on chamaun to me at a point the me hu ye say MPP for no yes omukogu ho no mo so mo kwa kope bill and I say omo yes to
solidarize with them,
but at a point eduba bi so no na amanfo e de lanche omo political careers na amanfo so e de lanche omo campaigns
at any political
yes na media baby a duru baby Saturday no me tietie nkomo agare ni makonom ne some of the lawyers ediye with media houses ni bi ene the former Alasan Tampuri, former transport minister,
and
defense omo nchichimu bi omo de baye they see that Friday na nwumra ado ntoma enya wuntumi enfi honom no and Gary ni makonsema no kan say wa active based on say as a MPP nti ohwa na chama wuntumi yire efre no ba ya chi ni kunu
na ahometiem
oni
reach out to
it's one oba ne friend no say lawyer me hu de ekobi obi anka bibia nkyere nti mesrew let's do something and ono so no efre ni nua Adeakye Abia oni ne di nkomo for 30 minutes according to nkomo agare ni makokan yo oni ne di nkomo 30 minutes ansana okwakoye de okoye nti nye out of the blue sorry yes onim de oye anaso wa mo Adeakye Abia amane e no kutu sa na mo no ekoko file sa de no e court no and party no so if he say eduru ba bi no na ase information na free lawyer Adeakye Abia honomo e party no honomo no na ma
it was scanty
yes na emanti na omu hu de omu ye bia enno mo so mu ntimi ntwen ase omu ja no ama no aka ho nti na o say like yen gada bi na omo emfa enko and eduru ba bi beginning there was a problem beginning no emra lawyer Godfrey Dame Bem beginning no it created a problem and na damage no and na the legal team no it take over and Dame Bem emra no according to sources former vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bam and the other legal team
so the bottom line is at the end of the day omo nyina mo na abrante no ye nya no
Inti the yes the year ma. But the do baby so no mo so mo hu no say legal team they play
politics
with it. Say be ya e be left a certain candidate bia that
is what everybody is alleging.
It do baby no. That's how it's
what I'm saying is that is how everybody is alleging. From Adeakye could be honest so no from an angle no so say bia but we also so presence so we say wait to quite to say obia anyone to me obia fa to me what did he
to obia ma a party ne man ne amanfo hunu say yachi wuntumi no
me na me ye say
so hunu
which is also a big political capital
petition amanfo
say obia be kobi
say there ye nyina ye kobi nti so we ya
a group of aspirants.
Akota so where ya obi ti say Titus Glover no a very active pa.
Yes.
Em na omo ti
no national organizer. A return.
So where ya man ya oko contest kwada so Dr. China. So where ya no so see active pa ya no granting.
Ono so help general secretary. Obe so obe tukodua.
Mo so where ya na
yes.
Yes.
Treasurer or Pepe General Secretary.
Say sika to man for mananto nti oba be di so and akodia so like now
I akodia ni abre pa.
In the sense of the national chairman no
what take you over
took up the party.
So
who and the coin yes gonna be
so be play the role.
He took charge of the party.
Monchimon kanko
say the amount for fee say party the etimi anya no enti your
onipa
cause was say
odom bi go onim
e ba ye wuntumi odom oshem odi how many days
but we are getting that there
Koloverata
I just company party
Koloverata dem say Ghana Koloverata ko piwa o epipi ni bia no be ko no mo be gya no Overata wo don pa ma no be she wi so be hu MPP for ha Masa Overata me de yawe wonya no online
the virtual na
I was
akotala so amanfo so hu ni say wuntumi ti ayechi ni de course between Wednesday and the Friday no a good omen at the ma party no because in as much as differences any the who say I say some energy be about party nan komu fi say party na jija party na boto ye hu say Brian Champion e kofa bibia ba ye hu say
Canada Japan
bibia ba ye hu say Canada Japan e kofa bibia ba just say they join forces.
Yeah, so but in the end, it's a very good omen so for Chamawu to miss bid for national champion.
Yes, also
I'm telling you.
Yes.
Whether good or bad, you know. MPP was more discussed over the weekend.
Yes. They are talking about them.
No, yes.
That is one thing.
Wouldn't to me space, even though the court issue will linger on, no. Sad day way Chamawu to me ba. Yeah, you know. So on cananu to. Tomasi. No pejani sa.
No so some gestures we both so pejani sa we am
obi oba be na wo ye wi a me say omo de national chairman am a wuntumi me say ade we eye kwan bia ma wuntumi because now he becomes a hero. He becomes say any abranche kwan say ndisi for suro no
I say no okay what's munti
party ni fi se baby o
akwa bi
eni edin o munya energy
iba pay you know mumro munti ni achieve Real Madrid mumro ready yakko ni papa obo se Ghana ni sra no obi watch no oh taxi driver no o se yet so ne yet so chira wo mo boada afos taxi drivers mumro yadimiko
ana minya Ghana ni bio
munti na mo ye tip off for Brady. I was your fault. Yeah, the Bremo.